in the previous tutorial I forgot to mention one thing. That's the feature called user specified coordinate system. Like if you have this drawing, you click on view and you click on extends southward isometric. Like if you want to draw a circle on this one plane and you click on circle, whenever you will draw a circle, it will always draw on the xy plane. How much you try, it will always draw on this plane. So to overcome with that problem, there is a command, like you can see, whenever you draw a circle, it will always be drawn on this wire mesh plane and not on the inclined surface. So to do that, there is a command called users specified coordinate system, for which USC, user specified coordinate system, USC, press enter. User defined coordinate system, UCS. I think I forgot. User defined coordinate system, UCS. When you click on that, it says specify UCS, name, face, object, blah blah blah. It has lots of command on it. So first of all, it says UCS. So to begin with, first of all, you have to define its x-axis. First of all, you have to define its coordinate. Then you specify x-axis, and then you specify its y-axis. Once you do that, the x and y coordinates you defined is now the by default. You can see earlier this wire mesh was stuck to the bottom of this figure. Now this wire mesh is stuck to this inclined surface. So now whatever you draw will be drawn on this inclined surface rather than drawn on the bottom of this. Like so, now if I draw a circle, escape, I draw a circle. I will again type UCS. In this, to go back to the normal view, I'll draw world, enter, views, southwest isometric. So now you see that now the circle I have drawn is drawn on this inclined surface rather than the flat surface. That's the use of UCS command. UCS stands for user specified coordinate system. Thank you.